right?
Yep.
We've had lots of practice from putter. A lot of things have been high lately.
Okay. I'm pushing it up.
Ready? Push.
Push. Oh my gosh. Okay,
Why are you hanging on it? Keep going.
Come on up.
Hang on, all the way up. Come on, stop being so scary. I have to climb this ladder to bed every night.
Sure.